Let's install rear caliper covers named 40SS. First, unscrew the bolts. Install them by sliding as shown. Do the same but mirror to the other side. Now tighten the bolts on both sides. Now loose the top nut and washers. Install the cover on top of the bolts, facing up with the rubber tip and down with the line. Install the washers and the nut bolt and tighten down. And now it's installed. Thank you for watching the installation. Let us know once installed with a picture.